People of the State of Michigan versus Joseph Allen Fedchenko. This is case 22T02589 FD. The charge is operating while intoxicated, causing serious injury. Let me swear you in. Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give is the truth to the best of your knowledge, understanding, and belief.
Yes.
What is your full legal name?
Joseph Allen Fedchenko.
Spell that for my court record.
JOSEPHALLEN FEDCHENKO.
And how old are you?
43.
43. Okay. Mr. Skinner, is this your client?
Judge, did Mr. Fedchenko spell his last name again?
Go ahead.
What am I doing?
Spell your last name again.
FEDCHENKO.
There's a C in there, Judge, on the complaint. It doesn't need to be in there.
Okay.
You ready for Mr. Skinner?
Yes.
Yeah, Judge, for the record, Judge Skinner, hearing on behalf of Joseph Allen Fedchenko this afternoon regarding a one-count felony complaint. The court has identified the nature of the offense. The specifics of said offense were explained to Mr. Fedchenko earlier today by Attorney Zakari. Mr. Fedchenko was advised of his constitutional rights. He was advised of the maximum potential penalty if convicted of the charge, which he's being arraigned upon this afternoon. We'll waive formal reading of the complaint, Judge, enter a not guilty plea, Your Honor. And Judge, our office has been contacted by, the family has retained an attorney to represent Mr. Fedchenko, and said attorney will be available for the probable cause conference. Sir, thank you.
All right. Mr. Fedchenko, is it true that public defender went over the charge, the penalties, and your rights?
Yes.
You feel you understand the charge, the penalties, and your rights?
I do.
Do you want me to go over the charge, penalties, and your rights?
If you would like to again.
You're not, it isn't that he doesn't, it isn't that he likes to, he wants to make sure you understand what you're charged with, what the penalty is, and what your constitutional rights are. Do you understand those three things?
I do. Thank you.
All right. So you want me to go over them with you?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna find defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived the reading of the charges, penalties, and rights. You said you've already retained counsel?
Yes, sir.
And who is that?
Mr. Patrick Chatterton.
Okay.
He will be available. We've spoken at length. He'll be available for the probable cause conference, Judge.
Okay. Well, I won't be appointing a lawyer. So this matter will be set for a probable cause conference, October 6th at 8:30 in the morning. You'll be in front of Judge Tabitha Marsh. And that will be in person. You understand? Or yeah, that will be in person. You understand?
Yes.
Okay. Here are your bond conditions. Oh, wait a minute, hang on before we do that. Oh my, okay. You on probation or parole right now?
Probation judge.
Prepared. For impaired?
Sir,
He's
Yeah.
on probation for impaired driving?
yes, sir.
Is there a probation violation hearing or anything?
The sentencing was last week, so my guess is this would have been prior
Hmm.
to,
No,
this event happened July 9.
right. And my understanding is he pled
He was sentenced last week,
to what?
operating while impaired.
No, but what did he get for a sentence?
Oh, what was your probationary period?
They put me on probation in that sentencing.
For how long?
1 year. I'm supposed to meet with the probation officer this Thursday.
Very good.
What judge did that?
Goggins.
Got-
Judge Goggins, correct?
Yes.
Okay, well. Hang on one second. I just need to check
It
something.
looks like this warrant was authorized maybe the same day that he was sentenced. Because this was authorized on the 16th of September. My guess is they were aware of this matter.
Mhm. Oh, boy. I'm not sure why he wasn't charged with a third. But, okay. Here are his bond conditions. You have to appear for any examination, arraignment, trial, sentencing, or any time and places directed by the court. You're represented by an attorney. Notices to appear will be given to the attorney instead of to you. Do you understand?
Yes.
You have to abide by any judgment entered in this case and surrender to serve any sentence imposed. Do you understand?
Yes.
You're not to leave Michigan without court permission. Do you understand?
Yes.
Do not commit any crimes while you are released. Do you understand?
Yes.
Notify the court in writing of any change of address or telephone number. Do you understand?
Yes.
You have to use alcohol, marijuana, or illegal controlled substances. Do you understand?
Correct.
Surrender your driver's license or pass your driver's license. You don't have a pass.
Yes.
You don't have do you have a valid driver's license right now?
No.
You're not to possess or purchase a firearm or other dangerous weapon, and no ammunition. Do you understand that?
Yes.
There's also going to be drug testing for you. Understand that? You understand that?
Yes.
You'd have to be on alcohol tether if you got out. You understand
Okay.
that?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Skinner, I'm ready to set bond. What do you want to tell me?
Judge, I had a couple of questions of Mr. Petchenko. Joseph, when you were in front of Judge Goggins last week to be sentenced, were you in civilian clothes or were you wearing orange? Were you in jail wearing orange coveralls?
Civilian clothes.
And so you are now in jail. When did they take you into custody on the case that we're here for today?
They brought me in on a warrant yesterday.
Okay, and when you say they brought you in yesterday, where were you at yesterday?
I was at my house.
Okay, and did Judge Goggins give you a jail sentence? Was that part of your, did you have to serve a term in jail? Was that part of the judge's sentence last week, or was it just probation?
It was just probation.
All right. That's not in our notes, so. So with regard to a bond, clearly the drug testings, I would argue that while this matter is pending, if he is released, AANA right away, get a sponsor, et cetera, et cetera. If you can make that, if that makes sense to the court, makes sense to Skinner, but
Okay.
it's all I wish to
I
show.
mean, I would think that that would have been, he would, when he's on probation, I would have
Yeah,
thought that he would have had to.
that may
be
be
doing
in
that.
terms of probation. I don't know.
It is in the probation. Sorry.
All
The,
right.
the probation states I have to do AA a couple times a week. I have to attend a weekend course. And there was something else. I don't remember what the last one was. I think it was drug testing.
Nothing further, Judge.
Okay, well. I hate to say this, but some people behind the wheel are just as dangerous as somebody with a gun. And it is surprising to the court that this offense occurred 2 months after he pled guilty to the charge, which he just got a probationary sentence last week or whatever it was. He pled on in May. He picks this up, in July. So and I don't know if this February 2022, let me see what that was. Oh, February 1st, 2022. One vehicle, one injured, had been drinking.
Oh,
That's 3 in.
oh.
You're saying that's not the case?
The
Yeah,
February
accident.
1st.
That
February
wasn't an
1st.
accident? Yeah.
Oh, I got pulled over. February 1st.
Well, I said
No,
one vehicle.
no.
I'm looking at your driving record. Driving record says one vehicle, one injury.
There wasn't any injury. That is what I just got sentenced on. The
Okay.
February 1st is what I got sentenced on.
Did they take you to the hospital? I mean, your driving record says there was one injury.
Well, they did take me to the hospital to get blood drawn because the breathalyzer was not working.
Okay, well, I don't know. He's also got a drunk driving and impaired from 2001. So I don't know why this wasn't charged as a third. But I mean, clearly he's got an issue. And we got a pedestrian that was hurt. He scored supposedly on this. I don't want to. I do not comment, sir. Do not say a word. Supposedly got a 0.24 and a 0.23 on this. He managed to avoid even, the super high drunk driving charge. I don't know how he managed to avoid that. I don't know. He's living a semi-armed existence. I don't know. I think that he is a threat to public safety. And I'm going to set a cash or surety bond of $55,000. Okay. He has to be an alcohol tug. Okay, sir. Thank you. You can step out of the booth.
Thank you.